Good morning, everyone. Today we are in Morgan Hill. I am at the TriPointe new construction community. They have a unique setup here. It's a mixed community with both detached homes as well as townhomes. So today we're going to walk through some of the models here. Beautiful, beautiful day, gorgeous weather. So let's head on in and take a look at what these configurations have to offer us. This right here is Residence 2, approximately 1771 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, a little patio setup in the front. You can set a few lawn chairs out, sit out, have your morning coffee or tea. Let's head on in. As you see, this one is furnished and staged. So once again, you open up, this one has a hard flooring rather than carpet. This one again opens up to the living space. You have a dining space set up here with a nice breakfast bar set up, and then open concept kitchen. These open concept kitchens are pretty much very much in right now. And then large spacious half bath downstairs. And then this door right here would be what leads to the garage. Very good use of space, very nicely decorated. Really opens the place up. And then down here, the storage space underneath, they actually did a nice pet setup. So there's always a few different creative things you can do with the space under the stairs. Let's head on upstairs. If you saw my video at Positanos, the Pittsburgh community, they took the space under the stairs and had done a clever job of making a wine cellar. So if you haven't checked out that video, definitely worth going to take a look at. As we head down the hallway, you have a spacious laundry room with extra storage. Here's the bathroom, full tub. This one's set up as a girls' room. A lot of adequate lighting, big closets. And then this one's set up as a nursery again. And all the rooms are very, very spacious. There's not a single room in this setup or configuration where you walk in and you feel cramped or feel like, wow, this room's too small to be functional. And that to me is very, very important. I didn't comment before, but there's also additional storage here in the hallway. And then of course, last but not least, your master bedroom. Once again, very, very spacious. Good setup all throughout, and that leads into your master bath. Which also leads into your walk-in closet. And we have one more townhome set up, which would be the Residence 3. Let's go take a look at that. And then after that, we can go to the detached model. So if you're interested in being closer to San Jose, you have a job in Silicon Valley, Morgan Hill is a great community to consider. There's a few different options out here. Give me a call. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Search for Mansur Zahir Real Estate TV, or look at the description and the link on the bottom, which also contains my phone number and my email and how to get a hold of us. We would love to represent you in selling your home or helping you buy your next investment property or residence.